Hello everyone, happy to meet you all once again in this video. Welcome to the Vibe Trade Room. We are a simple positional traders. We just take a position when the stock is going up, ride the trend and exit when in doubt. Simple. For that we use 3 moving averages, either simple or exponential, which is 20, 50 and 200, volume and the stock price. That's it. We don't listen to news or media. Our interest is not to find the next multi-bagger and all this stuff. All we are trying to do is make some cash, make some money, compound the position, if possible, ride the trends. Let's keep it simple. In my previous video, we have seen one of my positions, that is Fact Fertilizers and Chemicals Travancore Limited, where we ride the trend by up to 43%. And in this video, we are going to see a company called Titagarh Wagons Ltd, TWL. And with that in mind, let's jump on to the video. Here is the current stock holdings I have, and Fact is the first one which we saw, which is 43% and still riding the trend, and Titagarh Wagons, which is 50% as of today. And here are the trades. So there is a buy, sell and buy. We are riding the trend. 9th of March we entered a position, and then 9th of May, that's just a coincidence, 9th the same date, 9th May we exited, and then 23rd of May we entered again and riding the trend, right? Let's jump on to the charts. Titagarh Wagons Limited. Let's minimize this for clarity. And here are the positions that I have marked. So as I said, by 9th of March 2023, we bought here. And simply put, the reason why I bought there is, you can see the algo is telling that Titagarh Rail or Titagarh Wagons Limited, the buy date is 8th of March it showed, and then the next day I bought over, right? And then as per the algo, if you have held it without selling, you would have made 107%, but I sold in between, and that's why I'm riding the trend twice. Let me explain it why. So on 9th of March, what I did is, here is the, right? So this is the resistance, and then there is a breakout here with strong buying signs from the volume. And then we bought the stock on 9th of March, right? Now from 9th of March, the stock went up. Here is a small kind of base, not exactly a base, but then small down dip, and then it's again a breakout, and then a breakout, and then blah blah blah, and then here I would say 5 days of continuous stock price fall, but that's not supported by the volume. I should have held the position, but I had some business travel coming up, so I was not sure whether I should hold it or not. I had the stop loss, but I mean, why to take unnecessary risk? The position bothers you. So I just exited the position, made my business travel, and then came back and then re-entered the position again here. And I'm holding it up to here. So I've not sold the stock yet. The best part is, you can see in the weekly chart, there's always a green large volume candles, which means there's a lot of people buying. There's action going on, above average green large volume candles, and no signs of large selling candles, right? And which confirms, it helps you to build the conviction why we have to ride the trend in this stock, right? And the algo says, according to this is ranked kind of number 1 based on the trend and volume filter. I have it's ranked 9, but then I eliminated stocks 1 to 8 just by, I can show it to you. So here's 1 to 8, which doesn't qualify the trend and volume filter, so I just remove it, and then Titagarh comes number 1, right? So that's why I chose this stock. The algo tells you which stocks to focus on that are performing better, stronger, beating the index, right? And then we entered here. Let's do a small, that's 9th of March, we entered here, and then we exited the position here. That's about 40% roughly. And then we entered the stock again on 25th, right? 25th, and then till today we are holding the position. That's about 50%. So if I would have entered the stock without an interruption, if I would have held the position as the volumes are drying up here, it would have been 100+%. However, it's okay. Our goal is not to show to the world that we have picked 100% stock or something like that. It's purely to make some cash flow or money, right? So that's the reason. So the beauty of this is you enter, exit when in doubt or when there is a downtrend. But here the volume should have supported by showing large selling candles, but it didn't happen. And then I re-entered the position again here purely because it's a breakout, and then the stock continued to go high. So that's the reason we entered this position. And you can look at the weekly candle, hardly any kind of entered the position, and then here, and then entered here. There's a continuous bullish sign here. Now by seeing this video, if you're entering a position when the stock is riding up, you could, tomorrow when the market opens, the stock could come down. We don't know. All I'm going to do is watch the trend. If the stock is coming down along with large selling candles, I might exit the position. Simple. Nobody can predict the market, and we're not doing any fundamental analysis over here. So all I'm doing is watch the stock price, watch the moving averages, watch the volume. That's it. Simple. Again, if you're following this trade or if you're entering a position, I'm not responsible for any of your financial losses as well as profits, and I'm sharing it just to test my algo, and out of my own interest I'm sharing the trades. I'm not a financial advisor or certified chartist or any sort. I'm not a financial influencer. You don't have to follow me, and just treat it for entertainment purpose, right? In my next video, we'll run through other stocks which are part of my portfolio, and I'll explain why I'm entering that particular stock. Thank you for watching. Let's stay in touch.